Welcome to TDSS Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be adding user roles, using the TDSS user management feature on a TDSS NVR. Let's begin. Access the NVR web interface and click on Setup on the navigational bar. On the left side menu, select User. Here you will see a list of users available on the NVR. Click on the Add button above the user list. Next, create a username. Next, let's create a password. The password must meet the requirements. Confirm the new password. There are two types of users, operator and guest. As an operator, the basic permissions will be enabled by default, and as a guest, disabled. Select the appropriate user type. Next, let's apply permissions at the camera level for this new user. These settings can be updated later on if needed. The new user role should be visible now in the list. To modify user, click on User and click on Modify. When done, click Save. Thank you for choosing Tough Dog for your security products. Subscribe for more videos.